Habayakran bekilat patai kubor Menteri Rang Bhah Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan menha bag Sorkar Jelah kan pelat ika Bhah Khajna nak advance ka basan folklor tengka syaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Bat kani ka Bhah Khajna basan folklor tengka ka kentup ya arpusau hadu arpusan klor tengka nak Bhah Khajna jang ka council bat sa arpusan klor ban siu kutulap ba khat arbnai basa ba kajing siu tulap nadok shitarik nai wian. Uli thu bagi negara Lashem haba pensyong nongrim ya kijing jingmut jangka komiti belatung hapo ke District Council Affairs hadian ba ke subcommittee ke penlong ya kijing kran bat ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ban IT ke kaipot dangshan. Menteri Rangba ula pensyai bakani kam di setia kijing yarap lani ke nugu kijing tuklar. Kampat shimla don EA barai hakani kesengi ndrei ke baki rai ke long ban pelat ya ke advance jangka Bhah Khajna ya ke baki dehok ban yo. Ula pentip ru baka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kala menjur ban pediang ya kejingtong yau officer IAS kumu principal secretary da kejing terwa ban penlong yau deputy commissioner kumu ex officio principal secretary. Uli thu ru baki babon kinong trei ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ki badan hapdeng khat arspa hado khat lai spa angot kila soy ki kot kisla bagi pediang ya kasong pisa ya ka bahado pras pa angot kila IT ru da kejing tho.
The money is going in terms of an advance of the royalty share, which is their due, which is their money, but we're paying it in advance. This money will be put into the account of the district council. District council will then pay the salaries of the employees. Only condition we're putting is that it should be in an escrow account, which is meant for salary and salary only. So that when some money comes in, it should not be used for TADA, it should not be used for other bills, nothing. It should be used for salary. So the answer to the question is, money is going to be given by us as advance. Once it enters their account, it will be paid by the district council to their employees. It will ensure that there will be at least one or two people who will, in a way, monitor and ensure that the money. The only objective, as I said, of the escrow account will be to ensure that money is used specifically for salaries. That's the whole point. The mechanism of how, who, that we can work out. But as I said, it will not be in the general treasury account of the council. It will be an account created specifically for salary.
But how long government can go on giving money?
Good question. That is the reason why we have the reforms. We have stressed, and the council, the EC has accepted that they will, embark on this entire, process of reforms, which the principal secretary will also be guiding them, and we will look at creating, service rules, financial rules, procurement rules, ensuring that the way the employee strength is rationalized, without really terminating anybody. But we have rationalized it in the last 7 years also, which I've mentioned earlier, that when initially we had taken over, there were 2,400 employees. But then we started rationalizing it by giving, VRS to some of the employees. In some cases, we didn't appoint any new person after we say the vacancy came up. We rationalized it and we used the existing employees and put them in that position. So this kind of rationalization works will happen. And we hope that slowly and steadily we'll be able to reduce the expenditures that are there. And obviously with the process of streamlining the financials, which includes computerization of revenue generation, which has been recommended, by the way, by the subcommittee, we are hopeful that this process will move forward, and we'll be able to streamline the functioning of the councils. I have repeated this in the past also, that it's not just in the case of the Garo Hills District Council, but in many other organizations and government bodies. We have seen that government has to intervene and come in to enable the smooth functioning of different organizations. For example, in the last 2 years, the MECL, a lot of people are saying, why, how come, we are seeing that the scheduled load shedding. I know that unscheduled means whenever there is a erratic power supply or some lightning or weather conditions, power could fluctuate. But scheduled load shedding is not something that we are seeing. Now, why is this happening? Because government is giving approximately 900 crores to MECL every year to enable them to be able to buy additional power so that there is no load shedding that takes place. And in the meantime, we are also rationalizing and restructuring the entire MECL so that their costs come down. So we expect that in about 2 years, 3 years time, this bailout that we had given in the last 2 years of 900, we expect that will come down to 700 in the next few years. And in 3 to 4 years, that will come down to about 100, 200. So there's a plan in everything. We have to work out. There are organizations that need help and support. And government has always come in, in a responsible manner to provide that financial stability for the larger interest of public service.